Stories rise, warm laughter shining in their eyes. Old friends return from different roads to share the weight of heart and load. The years have changed them, yet they find the same familiar ties that bind. A supper filled with memories, a gentle touch of histories. Voices blend like long ago, soft echoes of the lives they know. Together once, together still, in bonds no time could ever kill. The candles glow, the night feels kind, as hearts remember and unwind. A fellowship renewed again, in comfort shared between old